Wow, beyond imagination. Truly horrifying. A real steel beast. Armed with the latest technology. The John Deere 643K feller buncher is a formidable force in the forest, designed to chop down and bunch multiple trees in moments. Powered by a robust engine and fortified with a specialized cutting head, it can mow through even the stoutest trunks. Hydraulics and a sturdy undercarriage provide exceptional stability. Ensuring it remains upright while slicing through thick timber. A major advantage of the FD5 is its modular design, which lets owners swap blades or make quick adjustments to match varying tree species and diameters. Imagine gliding through hardwood logs one day, then switching to softer conifers the next, all with minimal downtime. This adaptability translates into a higher return on investment and a versatility that keeps loggers prepared for almost any job. By effortlessly turning dense timber into manageable logs, the FD5 truly represents the best of modern forestry attachments. What makes this feller buncher shine is its advanced control system, which allows operators to guide the cutting head with precision. By rapidly securing and slicing trees, the 643K reduces felling times and labor costs. Picture a giant mechanical arm embracing a fully grown pine, then severing it cleanly at the base in seconds. The wood is then neatly bunched, making subsequent handling easier. With such efficiency, the 643K exemplifies how modern engineering has boosted productivity in forestry to unprecedented levels. If you need a machine that can tackle massive loads of timber and not even flinch, look no further than the Virage PRA 827. Built with an extra reinforced chassis and powered by a high-torque engine, it's specially designed to lift and move logs that would overwhelm lesser equipment. Whether loading timber onto transport vehicles or stacking enormous piles for processing, the PRO 827's gigantic grapple or fork attachments make these hefty tasks nearly effortless. Sometimes, transporting logs is more challenging than felling them, especially when you face rivers, rocky paths, and treacherous inclines. Enter the BAAC Timber Transport Vehicle, a steel juggernaut armed with a potent engine and specialized drivetrain. This machine can charge through swirling waters or slippery slopes with logs in tow, maintaining surprising stability throughout. Its innovative hydraulic system ensures precise movement, preventing the jerking motions that can damage valuable logs or put operators at risk. In addition, the machine's well-balanced structure provides excellent traction, allowing it to maintain sure footing on muddy or uneven terrain. The result? powerful workhorse that can keep up with the fast pace of modern logging sites, consistently streamlining workflow and reducing downtime. Not all jobs require a towering monster. Sometimes you need a compact yet mighty machine, capable of weaving through tight clearings. That's where the Bobcat skid steer steps in. Typically equipped with around 60 to 100 horsepower, these agile workhorses handle multiple tasks. Stump removal, debris clearing, small-scale loading, and even preliminary site. The genius of the Bobcat lies in its quick attach system, enabling operators to switch between buckets, grapples, stump grinders, and other implements with minimal fuss. This transforms a single skid steer into a versatile multi-tool that punches well above its weight class. Factor in superior maneuverability, and it's easy to see why Bobcats are indispensable to forestry prod. They can dance nimbly around trees, pick up and transport logs, and cut stumps flush with the ground. All in a day's work for these unassuming but unstoppable machines. When you need raw, uncompromised strength to reshape the land, the Katsu D68 bulldozer is your best ally. Powered by a 250 horsepower engine, it's a formidable presence on any logging site, carving out roads, knocking over smaller trees and pushing aside piles of earth or debris. Its rugged blade, available in straight or U-shaped configurations, can handle everything from leveling hills to clearing brush. While heavy-duty tracks grant the bulldozer steady traction on uneven ground. Though it boasts a fearsome exterior, the D68 doesn't sacrifice comfort. Operators benefit from spacious cabs designed to reduce noise and vibration, alongside intuitive joysticks and user-friendly displays. This thoughtful approach means operators can run the dozer for longer stretches without fatigue. The net effect? Efficient site prep for logging roads and landing zones, paving the way for harvesters, skidders, and transport vehicles to move in and handle the main job of tree extraction. Even after felling trees, stubborn stumps and extensive root systems can impede further development or replanting efforts. The RZ Root Cutter offers an elegant solution. Mounted on an excavator or skid steer, it cuts and pries roots from the ground with surprising precision, effectively loosening the earth and making stumps easier to remove or grind. Unlike traditional stump pullers, the RZ root cutter uses sharp, high-strength blades to slice roots without disturbing too much surrounding soil. This targeted action reduces erosion and preserves the land's structure, which is especially useful for sensitive ecosystems or sites slated for reforestation. By minimizing the environmental impact of root removal, the RZ root cutter demonstrates how forestry machinery can balance raw power with ecological responsibility. While large harvesters command attention, the Cipro reciprocating chainsaw proves the humble chainsaw still has a starring role. A twist on the classic design, this tool replaces the continuous loop chain with a back-and-forth sawing action. The result? Less kickback, more refined cuts, and improved control, particularly helpful for tasks like trimming branches, dismantling partially fallen trees, and working near obstacles. Another advantage lies in maintenance. Changing or sharpening a reciprocating blade can be simpler than dealing with a chain. Arborists and loggers also enjoy the reduced vibration, making the tool more comfortable for extended operation. Where the big machines can't reach or where a delicate touch is required, the reciprocating chainsaw steps up, proving that sometimes the best technology is about refining an old idea into something even more reliable and versatile. High-volume operations demand fast, clean cuts, and the steel Contra log cutter fits that bill perfectly. Equipped with a 1.2M blade, it rips through large diameter logs, producing uniform sections that sawmills can process further. Its robust drive system keeps blade speeds consistent, ensuring the machinery doesn't stall. Even when dealing with dense hardwoods or not. One of the Contra's strengths is its automated feeding mechanism, which guides logs along rollers or conveyors at an optimal pace. This feature not only prevents jamming, but also maintains workers' safety by reducing direct contact with moving parts. With the steel Contra log cutter in place, sawmills and logging camps can save time and labor, boosting throughput and revenue, while preserving operator safety and maximizing the yield from every trunk. At the tail end of the process, many logs are destined to become firewood, and that's where the Easton-made 2228 log splitter shines. Armed with powerful hydraulics exerting 22 to 28 tons of force, it transforms hefty rounds of wood into neatly split pieces within seconds. The operator places a log on the splitting bed, engages the ram, and watches as even stubborn knots give way. This splitter stands out for its heavy-duty construction. Welded steel components can withstand daily abuse, and the wedge remains sharp after countless cycles, requiring minimal resharpening. Some models include log lifter options that reduce backstrain. The efficiency gains are massive. A single person can process an entire truckload of logs in a fraction of the time it would take with a manual maul. For contractors selling firewood or large families stocking up for winter, the Easton-made 22x28 becomes indispensable, proof that specialized machines can make once daunting tasks almost effortless. Wow, and that's a wrap. If you're as mesmerized by these unstoppable forestry machines as we are, drop a 1 in the comments to let us know you want more. Share which monstrous machine you'd like to see next. And stay tuned for even more breathtaking feats of raw power and cutting-edge innovation. We've only just begun this incredible